So here we have our circuit where we've prototyped just a simple voltage divider with a power supply, 2 resistors, power supply, and we're seeing what voltage we can tap off of this 2 resistor circuit. And here we have the circuit diagram, and we're going to do another circuit with different value resistors than we used in the first video. We're going to calculate the voltage we think we're going to see. We're going to prototype the circuit, measure the voltage, and we'll talk about Ohm's law real quick here at this point. We have, in a circuit, we have a voltage, current, and resistance. We have volts are a measurement of electromotive force. They're a measurement of the amount of push behind the electrons forming the current. That's voltage. I stands for current. Voltage is measured in volts. Current is measured in amps. Current is the actual electrons flowing in the circuit, and resistance is the resistance to the flow of those electrons, and that's measured in ohms. The mathematical relationship between voltage, current, and resistance in a circuit is what is known as Ohm's law. So here we have, it's commonly used in a picture. People commonly diagram it with a simple circuit, sometimes a triangle. And if you were to take any of those variables out of that circle, you'd have the formula that you can use to calculate that value still in the circle. So if you were to remove resistance, you'd be left with V over I, and that is how the resistance can be calculated in a circuit if you know the voltage and the current. If you wanted to find the voltage drop across a component or a series of components, and you knew the current and resistance, then you remove V, and it's so V equals I times R. They're right next to each other. And if you were to remove I, you want to find the current through a component or through a circuit or a piece of a circuit, you could remove I, and you're left with V over R. So that's Ohm's law. I'm going to do another video that goes more into the theory and the discussion of, deeper discussion of these things and of Ohm's law. But for now, that is how to calculate your values if you're looking to calculate values or looking for an expected value in a circuit that's not functioning correctly. Next, we'll prototype a different circuit using the 2 resistors, and we'll prove Ohm's law.